In this video, I will discuss about a very common problem which we face during code upload. Look here, I have connected a USB to serial converting device and I have selected the correct board and port. Now, if I try to upload the program to my board, then I will face a problem. Look, it's showing uploading, and after a few seconds, though it's showing done uploading, but the program actually don't upload it, and we are looking error message here. This is the error message. Note this part. If you also face the same error, then this video will be very helpful for you. I will show the solution. Normally, this problem happens if we use a USB to serial converter board which contains the CH340 IC. Here I am showing you 3 examples. This is Node MCU, this is ESP01 programmer, and this is a USB to TTL converter. All of them contain CH340 IC for USB to TTL converting. If the CH340 IC contains in the board, sometimes the driver mismatches with the IC. So we need to install the old version of CH340. Here, if we go to the device manager, just search device manager from your PC. Okay. After opening the device manager, if we double click on this board and go to the driver section, here we are looking that the driver version is 3.9. Okay. Now I will install a older version of the same driver. For that, I will give this link in my video description. Just copy the link and browse this link. Here we will get the 3.5 version of the same driver. So download this. Okay, we need to download unverified file. Then go to the download folder. Okay, this is the driver. Double click on it. Click on yes. Then click on install. Okay, it's showing driver install success. If we go to the device manager again and double click on it, now go to the driver, and here we are looking that the driver version changed 3.9 to 3.5. Okay, now I will copy this code, close the Arduino IDE, and I will also reconnect the device. Now open Arduino IDE. Okay, now paste the code again and select the correct board and port number, then click on upload. Now look, the code will upload it without any kind of problem. Okay, here we are looking that the code is now uploading to my board. That means our problem already solved. I hope all of you understand how to solve this kind of issues which I have already shown you at first. Okay, the code successfully uploaded to my board.